Look at your lazy self. You wake up, you scroll, you eat, you sleep, and then you do it all over again, day after day, year after year. You think you're moving forward, but you're just walking in circles, trapped in an infinite loop, a tunnel with no exit. You keep ending up exactly where you started. This is the silent death most people choose, not with a gun, not with poison, but with wasted time. Every second you let slip is another nail in the coffin of your potential. You know what's worse? You've accepted it. You've made peace with mediocrity. You've convinced yourself that tomorrow is where your dreams live. But tomorrow is a liar. Tomorrow never comes for those who keep waiting. You are standing still while life is sprinting past you. Opportunities you were born for are slipping through your fingers, and someone else is out there living the life you once imagined. And you're still stuck in that same loop, breathing, eating, existing, but not truly living. If that doesn't scare you, then nothing will. But if your chest is burning right now, if your hands are shaking, that's your soul screaming, enough. So break the damn loop, because every minute you waste is a minute you never get back. Now close your eyes, not to sleep, but to see. Your visionary eyes, the ones buried under years of doubt and distraction, they're still there, waiting for you to look through them again. Listen to your instincts. That voice in your chest that whispers, you were made for more. It's not lying. It's not teasing. It's your truth. Stop ignoring it. Start moving toward it. And when you do, you'll finally realize you were never lost. You just needed to open your eyes. I hope this video has helped you. For more inspiration, like, share, and subscribe now.